Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the BMO Ascend World Elite Mastercard. The BMO Ascend World Elite Mastercard is a premium credit card offering a range of benefits aimed at frequent travelers and high-spending individuals. Key features often include travel insurance, airport lounge access, and rewards points programs. Their website provides details on the specific benefits and terms. The BMO Ascend World Elite Mastercard positions itself as a high-value card, competing with other premium cards from major banks. The card boasts a comprehensive rewards program and extensive travel benefits, although specific details on pricing, annual fees and interest rates are available on their website. They emphasize ease of use through online banking and various mobile payment options. Availability is generally nationwide, but eligibility depends on credit score and application approval. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the BMO Ascend World Elite Mastercard. Getting started was straightforward. The online application process was quick and easy, and I received my card within a week. Navigating the online banking portal was intuitive, and I easily tracked my spending and rewards points. I particularly appreciated the detailed transaction history and the ability to set customized spending alerts. The rewards program is quite generous, allowing me to accumulate points quickly towards travel and merchandise. I used the travel insurance feature when I booked a recent flight and found the claims process smooth and efficient. I even had a question about a specific benefit, and their customer service team responded promptly via email, providing a clear and helpful answer. One minor drawback was the slightly higher foreign transaction fee compared to some competitors. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the BMO Ascend World Elite Mastercard. The benefits, particularly the travel insurance and rewards program, far outweigh the annual fee for my usage patterns. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of managing my account online. That's my overview of the BMO Ascend World Elite Mastercard. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.